Yeah, what's going on? So today we have a video from Body Cam Watch, and the title of the video is "Officers Can't Keep a Straight Face with the Shoplifter." Let's get into the video. Let's see what they talking about, man. They making a laughing stock out of the shoplifter, so let's do it.
What's going on, guys?
This lady, good morning, filled like 10 things up with soup.
Oh.
Soup. Put her hand in every box of chicken that we had, so we hadn't already. She didn't have any money to pay for any of it.
Go get her. Just give it.
So if she can't pay for the soup, we'll like to press charges because she ate it all.
Yeah.
Oh, hey guys, I'm leaving right now. But after I paid for the food, of course.
You gonna pay for the food?
Yeah, but they won't charge my phone and I'll have Apple Pay because the other one's at 185 to Salvia. You guys used, remember?
No.
No?
There's 1,000 of us.
Oh, were you the ones at Colonial when I bad boy signed that?
No.
Okay, well, what I told them is that I was paying for this with Apple Pay. And I didn't know my phone was dead. And I have the money to pay for it. And they were like, I hate broke, badass white bitches. And they were harassing me. It's all over their surveillance. I promise you on God. And then this one right here with the bigger glasses, she said she's still in there.
So, ma'am, you're saying you need your phone charged right now to pay? Is that what you're telling us?
So if we charge your phone, you're gonna pay? What kind of phone do you got?
That's iPhone 14 Pro Max 256 17th edition version. You can do it for me?
You guys have a phone charger?
You can buy the black this triple C for me, and then I'll trade you some soup for it. Which one are you buying for me?
I'm not buying anything for you.
Oh, I get to buy the charger and then
No, you get no. I think they have a charger.
We're going to loan you a charger temporarily to charge your phone, hopefully.
They said no. They said you're going to 33rd bitch, and I was like, what? How do you know about 33rd? Did I see you in there? And she was like, yeah, catch me outside, bitch. And I was like, what?
Okay, alright.
So, yeah.
Can we use the charger back there?
Taker? What does taker mean? I'm gonna pay for it. You can't take me to 33rd.
The product without paying for it.
No, I did not.
We have to give her an opportunity to play.
We gotta try, otherwise that's not gonna fly with the state attorney.
We have to give her an opportunity.
Finances hear shit all the time. That's why I got a class action lawsuit against them already.
I have a feeling it's not gonna end up working out, so but we gotta try.
Ah, pull up. Why is she taking my phone? Why is she
How are you supposed to charge
I
it?
don't want her to. She said there's no way to charge it. I want her.
So we're
I don't want
gonna
her
hold on,
DNA on my phone.
hold
What am
on.
I gonna do if I have her DNA on my phone and she steals the phone from me and I walk out right now
Hold on, man.
and she goes 33rd for life? Prison for life.
Ma'am, you said that you want to get your phone charged so you can pay for the
Yeah,
stuff
but
you
she
just ate.
said she lied to you on camera on your access and said there's no charges. Then she said there is. It's called.
Do you have an ID or driver's license on you so we can
No,
know who we're talking
they did
to?
at 185 George DeSalvia way, and I never got it back.
Okay.
Yeah.
How much does she owe?
The chips do?
$3. All of that.
She opened every single one of these?
She put her hand in every single one of these boxes.
I mean, like-
No, that she opened that.
All these open?
Some of them are not. I'll tell you what, the ones that are not open, let's just get rid of them. The ones that she has opened and touched something, we'll just get charged for those.
What's your first name?
It's a YouTuber, and it's
What's your first name?
DY Nasty. DY Nasty.
How many more things of soup? How many things of soup total?
She get.
I think it's gonna be like 8 things of soup.
What's your date of birth, Dynasty Robertson?
It's 2/1946.
So, ma'am, just confirm, we do have the money on your account to pay for
I
it.
sure do. Yes.
Okay.
But I can't see it right now until the charge comes up.
Okay,
See what I'm saying?
it
How much
looks,
is there?
hold on, it looks like it's probably gonna be over $100.
Oh, over $100.
Yeah.
That's perfect.
Okay, as long as you got $100, that's fine.
Yeah, but they were acting like it was gonna be $500,000. Like.
No, I don't think the bills generally go up that high in the
They
store.
never told me until when they harassed me until you guys got here. After I said I was going to pay, and then did not for me charge until you
So
got here.
Roberson, Roberson.
That's correct.
Where are you from?
I'm from the kingdom.
What state is that?
Guyana. Guyana.
How long have you been in the United States?
I can be deported at any time, so I've only been here for about 2 weeks.
You've been in the United States for 2 weeks from Guyana.
That's correct. Any more
You
questions?
don't have an accent. That's interesting.
Wow, isn't that how?
What the frig is going on here, bro? Like, what? This lady is out of her mind, okay? Whatever she taking got her on Pluto. You hear me? This is crazy. No, the phone ain't gon', she ain't got no money. Like, yeah, like this is a complete waste of time. But I do understand what the officers were saying about, like, at least giving her the opportunity to pay. Because if you just shut that down, then it's like you ain't even give her the chance, you know what I'm saying? So, we know the court system right now is just very lenient, you know what I mean? Like, clearly she has tampered with all the products and stuff like that or whatever and wasn't gonna pay. But we gotta go through the whole to try and get her to pay versus just taking her to jail. She already messed up. Like, you shouldn't get third and fourth different chances or whatever, but whatever the case may be. But yeah, she's out of her mind though. I ain't gonna lie to you. She a bug out.
You just for what? Too?
Usually that's not how that goes.
Oh, really? You've been to Guyana before?
No, but I know Guyanese people.
Oh, you know Guyanese people, but you have not been to Guyana.
I've not been to Guyana.
Oh, my boy, well cultured, boy.
See, they always do this. That's why I'm trespassed off like 90% of Orlando, because they always think that I'm not getting paid for stuff. Do I look like a broke bitch to you? Like, you know what I mean?
So what year did you say you were born?
Yeah. Yeah, you do. Sorry. I'm sorry, but you do.
Would you like to pause, rewind, and then play again? Because this is our recording on your Axon, where I went.
So you said 1946, I believe.
Yeah, so why did you ask?
So, because I don't think that's accurate, because that would put you at like 70 years old.
No, it put me at 77, actually.
Okay, are you 77 years old?
That's why I have silver hair, see? You think a 21-year-old would have silver hair like this, and it's natural.
You look great for your age.
Oh, thank you so much.
The whole counter was filled with soup cups.
She was just ladling it out.
Yeah. And she kept going. I'm like, well, at this point, we have to say something to her because we can't keep letting her fill it up.
Yeah.
So then when she asked her, she said that she was feeding the homeless with a $25 check and she got me on the spot. So and I'm like, ma'am, if you pay on the check, I can't take a check for that amount. She was like, I never said that. I'm paying with cash.
I don't know why, but I have a feeling Apple Pay is not going to work. That's just my professional opinion.
Then she just started, oh, if I touched it, you can't sell it. And just open every box. So the other boxes we just ran up.
So she consumed something out of each one of these boxes, though, correct? Okay.
Yes, they are.
Is it turned on? There we go.
Just know how to pay for it.
All right. We got just enough juice. Let's pull up this Apple Pay.
What happened? It came up?
Yeah.
I told you I have Apple Pay.
Well, no,
Do you have it rung up?
thing charged up.
Come on, let's go. Let's back up here. We're going to pay.
Okay.
If you want to go to one of these fine individuals, and I'm pretty sure they can ring you out. And we'll even get you the food since you technically paid for it now. So you can
Okay. Oh, sorry about that. Okay. Sorry.
Yeah, turn it. No, other way. No, keep going. No, other way.
Oh.
There you go.
Oh, okay.
Are you able to walk, ma'am?
No, that's fine. I'm not sure.
How did you make it into the store?
I barely did with the cane. Well, discrimination.
All right. Now, no. Go that. No, other way.
Where's the mirror? God, you guys follow me every goddamn way. Oh my God. What did you see?
Which one are we going to be at?
Now she's starting to sound like us.
Right here.
Right here?
Right there.
Yeah. 192.65. Is that what you said? You said 192.
Yeah, that's exactly what I said. 192.
All right, let's try and see. Which car should we use? The one cleared.
Delhi Department, line 100.
Listen, I'm gonna give you 5 seconds. No, more than 5 seconds. I'm gonna give you 10 seconds. Let me know in the comment section. Before we continue, please, let me know if you think she has the money to pay for these items. Do you think Apple Pay is going to work? Let me know. Let me know in the comment section. Please, let me know. I'm going to tell you what I think. It ain't going to work. It ain't going to work, man. It's done. It's done. She going to jail, man.
So if you're having trouble, you got,
I'm sorry, what was that?
hold on, please wait, please wait.
Oh my goodness, let's try another one, don't worry, don't worry.
If you want to use a combination, that's also allowed.
Is it okay if I phone a friend real quick, my banker, to send me to Zelle? Is that okay?
She had a deal.
All right, I like that. Here, we can also add send a request.
I'm gonna go get
Yeah,
if it goes another direction, just let me know.
I'm gonna go get the car. He know what time it is, boy.
Statement?
But you guys always do this shit. That's why you're gonna be sued too.
Let's help the next person in line.
And then the funny thing is, I would like not pay for it, and they would still keep all the food, and you wouldn't give me the food, so they win.
No, actually, if you pay for it, it is yours right
What
now.
I said is, if for some reason,
But right now, they're doubting that you have the ability
what I
to pay
said
for
was,
it.
if it doesn't go through for some reason, they get to keep the food and charge me. That's what they do all the time. They did a KFC the other night. They did Uber all the time. I have class action lawsuits all over the city, and I know more OPD than you know OPD, and you know this name.
All right, who wants to write the statement?
That's all he does.
She got her right better than me.
How about we try another card, because I don't think that one's going to work
Well,
today.
this is not your card, so you won't know how many times you have to swipe until it actually works. It's part of the, what's it called? That encryption that I built into it because I do cybersecurity, okay? So I know once I hit 17, it's about to, right now the food.
When you hit 17 times, it'll accept?
17 was total victory. It's in the Bible alone.
Oh, well,
Yeah.
can't argue with that.
Not opposites. There we go.
This is a mental illness.
Oh,
There we
okay.
go. Approved. Wow. How about that?
Oh, so that took $50 off?
43.
Oh, yeah.
All right. Now we can get another 142.
We'll try the Apple Pay again. Now that it's less, maybe the Apple Pay will take a little more.
I think that card's going to be depleted, so we can try another card.
No, people are on live right now, so there's live adding stuff to my Cash App. That's why it's going to say not authorized when I hit 17, since they're watching me live and on your Axons, because you guys are partners too, obviously.
Imagine spending all your money and still going to jail. She got 50 bucks left.
Here.
No, you cannot hold on to that thing. Where are you?
All right, that one doesn't work. We had one card with $50, and we had another card for $4.
Really?
So we're getting there.
We're getting there.
The Medicaid card? All right, let's skip the Medicaid card.
Yeah, so that's the
Let's try the
souls won't work.
Social Security card that I got there.
It should have something in there. Check. Yep. No cash back.
Yeah, there's no way you can get it on this one anyway.
I mean, the other one seemed like it was working a little bit.
Not over that.
That's not a price.
No, she's getting cash back.
No cash back.
Oh gosh.
Not on price.
Oh.
Let's try. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2.
Let's try it one more time.
Oh, really?
You guys working on statement?
Honestly, the cops got a good attitude, you know, because honestly, I would be sitting there so annoyed. I wouldn't find nothing funny. I don't find anything funny. This is a complete waste of my time. I know the lady at Dunkin' Donuts got my coffee ready for me. You know what I'm saying? 2 pumps vanilla bean, 1 pump mocha. And I'm sitting here dealing with this. This is pissing me off. You know what I'm saying? If I was an officer, it's pissing me off. Okay? You ain't got the money. We're done. We gave you a shot. You're not going to sit here and tap the card 17 times and try 10 different cards. This ain't how that works. You know what I'm saying? I'm glad they got a good attitude, because, boy, yeah, I would be pissed off. I ain't gonna lie to you.
Yeah.
If you need to make a phone call and go do that, we got no problem, but we have to figure this out within a pretty short amount of time right now.
Okay, no problem.
Excuse me, sir.
Man, I'm just going, no, I just found out how to pay it off if I have another card on here. So I'm clearing this for $1,300 right now.
I'm ready for you to wow me.
And then once I do that, then I'm going to go buy a bunch of food and see what ones you have on it below. Okay?
Now let's pay for this food and we'll be done for the day.
And would you like some? Because I'm just
No, I
leave
don't
it all
believe it.
outside, and if you accidentally pick it up, free food for you.
Nope.
Whoa.
Once you buy it, it's all yours.
I know, it's yours too. Here's a 2%. Sorry again.
Ma'am, do you have any checks on you?
I don't use checks. Do you use checks? How's that? That's like an each.
I know, but idiots use checks.
Yeah, that's a weird question.
Hi, welcome in.
Put this in my car.
Again, 600 emergency north, alternative, there is no service open. I have a question.
She's requesting an ambulance now.
Call me on the door. She said it's 81222348.
Was that? Oh, yeah.
Because with federales.
We have to go federales.
I guess we'll get a misuse as well.
All right, that'll be enough.
How would
We've satisfied this now.
I know. Stand up. We know you
Stand up.
I can't. No, you can't do this to me. Let me get my cane at least, please.
Your cane's gonna come with you. Come on, but we'll help you. We will be your cane.
You won't let me use my cane? ABA.
Ma'am.
Let's go.
Okay, all right. All right.
One foot in
Give me-
front of the other.
Just give me a second. I gotta get off this so my ass is so fat.
Let's go.
Oh, you're unplugged this. No. How did they do that? Oh, no. The
Left foot
federal
first.
is 911 after 911, go 411.
Is there an emergency shuttle for this?
1-800 no phone. I'm going to 33rd. Who's got my bail money on deck? It's for 137.93, and they took off 50, and they're gonna keep all the money, and you're gonna get free food.
We'll get
and
your
all my credit
stuff.
cards and my iPhone, because this is how it goes. And Latoya and Portia, thank you very much for making yourself viral, because you bitches get fired for real, for real. Tell Officer Ariel what's up. Caller, I'm on the way. 33rd, here I go.
Get popped.
More. I can't wait to get locked up.
I'll grab the.
Solitary again, because I'm 7:30 official, bitch. I'm crazy.
All right, man, let's go.
Marie Cakes with an S85 on Snapchat, 6,000 subscribers and counting. Suck my dick.
Man, come on, there's kids in here.
I don't care. Them kids.
Okay.
Hide your kids, hide your wives. This is what we call, this is how we do it on Sunday night. Free chicken for everyone.
I've never seen
Here, 1 second, stay right.
4-2. Write it down. We do this crazy shit again. Somebody record. Write it down. That's my mom. She never showed up today like she's supposed to. And they're putting this crazy shit. They're gonna taser me and everything and put me in the.
Oh, we aren't getting cuffs. They don't like it when we do
like
that.
they did last time.
Keep going.
$30,000 right now.
All right, so look inside the car with me, right?
So I can vomit myself out my cream. MONCRIEF. Moncrief. Tell them I'm on my way. Moncrief. MONCRIEF. Caller, I'll break you up. I'll budge you out.
Almost there.
Give me a second.
Came back there? Okay. Thanks, sir.
Please put the windows down. I'm having hot flashes.
Okay.
Would like the windows down because this is having hot flashes.
Okay. Thanks, gents.
Scene secure. Hi, welcome to Orlando.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.